Hey everyone, Jarrett here with Shades of Green here with our whole family because we have some huge news. As you know, Shades of Green's been in Frisco for about 25 years, and for the first time, we are growing. That's right, we're expanding with our second location here in our hometown of Celina. This project has been 5 years in the making. We are so thankful to put roots down in Celina and broaden our reach in North Texas with our second location. Our Celina location will be on Sunset Boulevard, about a half-mile off Preston Road, just behind Brookshire's. These 10 spacious acres will be transformed into a destination garden center that is designed for the community. We will continue to offer the largest selection of native and adapted perennials in North Texas while educating the public on their many benefits. Guests will be welcomed by our 5,000 square foot building full of natural light and rustic elements. From there, they'll enter our large courtyard with a view of the entire nursery. This area, it's designed to really showcase our plants and host numerous events like happy hours, concerts. It can even be rented out to the public. Towards the southwest corner, we're going to have an outdoor classroom to host community organizations, also student groups, as well as our free weekly gardening clinics. As you meander through the nursery, you'll feel like you're in a park, not a retail garden center. Our plan features dozens of demonstration gardens throughout the property to really show off our plants and help inspire our customers. 5 state-of-the-art greenhouses will serve as the backdrop and offer tons of space for indoor shopping. This project will be done in 2 separate phases over a 3-year timeline. Now, we've already started construction on phase 1 with a goal of completing and opening in spring of 2022. Phase 1 will be the back half of the property and include construction of 3 greenhouses, which will serve as our main retail space until phase 2 is complete. Phase 2, which includes the new building and other amenities along Sunset Boulevard, is set to be completed by spring 2025. We have had so much love and support over the last 40 years in business, thanks to our amazing customers like you. Our hope is with this new, unique facility, we may continue to provide the same level of quality, knowledge, and experience for the next 40 years. So there you have it, folks. A second location is coming to Celina. We'll see you in the nursery, spring 2022.